the biggest tornado outbreaks, one of the most devastating tornado outbreaks in Canadian history. 12 fatalities, 2 F4 tornadoes. The objects that were thrown, vehicles for great distances, the devastation to well-built structures turned into pretzels, wiped off down to their foundations. It was a devastating event. On this day, we had a very intense low-pressure system moving from Lake Superior and dragging down from to the southwest. From that system was a very, very sharp cold front. A lot of very warm, moist air, unstable air ahead of it. Perfect ingredients for a big outbreak of severe thunderstorms and, unfortunately, for 2 devastating tornadoes. 4 o'clock on that Friday afternoon, as it approached the south end of Barrie, going through an industrial park area, going through a subdivision where townhouses were. Devastation was total in those cases. The second tornado formed in the Grand Valley area, again late that afternoon, moved 115 kilometers to the east. The Grand Valley tornado remains in the Canadian tornado history books the longest track tornado that we have. Many of our tornadoes in Ontario as a tornado with a track perhaps of 10, 15 kilometers. This one, a tornado for 115 kilometers.